Hi there, guys. Simeon here. Today I'm going to reveal a simple SEO strategy that helps your maps to rank fast, double your traffic, and it takes less than 15 minutes. And yes, you can turn these red dots into green, and it doesn't have to be complicated. And the strategy I'm going to talk about in this video is local business schema. I know a lot of people, including myself, have shied away from using schema since it is a technical concept in SEO. I tried avoiding it for most of the time, but now thanks to ChatGPT, I can create schema in less than 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you all the step one by one, and it's going to be very easy, guys. Trust me when I say this. It's just a four-step simple process, guys. We just have to collect information about the GMB. The more information we have about our GMB, the better the schema code is going to be, right? And then what we need to do is we just have to use the prompt I'm going to give you and put it in ChatGPT with our necessary information. And once that is done, ChatGPT is going to give us the schema code. We then have to take that code and use it in a schema validator where we can see if the code is valid or not. Once that is done, once it's validated, then it's done actually. We just have to paste the schema on our website using a free plugin, and then we just wait for rankings to kick in. This is as simple as that, guys. All right, guys. Now I'm in ChatGPT and I'm going to show you what to type to get the necessary prompt that we need, right? Okay, I'm going to show you in just a minute. Just already type the text here, just gonna copy paste it. So what I've added is I want you to create a local business schema in JSON LD. So JSON LD is basically the like a coding language, right? I don't want to go over the technicalities of that because that's the purpose of this video, right? So JSON LD for my business, I want the schema to be thorough and without errors. The purpose of the schema is to help me rank higher in Google Maps. Now tell me what information do I need to provide you so you can give me a kick-ass schema code. So make sure your prompt, this is not a prompt guys, so whatever you do, right? So make sure the information you are giving to ChatGPT is thorough and ChatGPT should understand our intent, right? So I've just done it. I'm going to click here to generate. Let's see what ChatGPT has to create, right? So it has started giving me the answers. So what it has said is that to create a detailed and effective JSON LT schema markup for your business that can help enhance your visibility on Google Maps, right? I need the following information. So look at all this information that ChatGPT has given us. It has given us business name, business type, address, phone number, website URL, and everything, guys. It also included the payment options, geo coordinates, Google Maps, URLs, reviews, everything it has mentioned. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me two more things. So the two more things that I mentioned is same as and entity section, right? I'll tell you what is this in just a minute, but before that I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to add this information here. Now what it's doing, see, to create an even more comprehensive and effective JSON LD schema markup for your business, incorporating the additional sections for same as and entities. So you need to provide a bit more information. Here's the updated list, right? Same as, right? Same as and entities it has added here. So let me tell you what entities and same as are in a simple terms. So speaking about same as and entities which we just saw, so basically these are sections we need to add in our schema code, which is going to help our business build relevance and authority through association with external links. And when Google crawls our website, they can understand this, right? So you can basically understand the key differences between entities and same as here. So entities are nothing but it defines the context of your business by connecting it to recognized concepts or topics, right? And same as is nothing but links to profiles and external pages that directly represent your business. These are of your Facebook URL, Instagram, your, in other words, social media URLs and citations wherever your business is mentioned, that can be called as same as, right? And when it comes to entities, these are like the context of your business. Let's say if you're doing a tree business like a arborist, right? Tree service, then Google will try to understand the terms that is relevant to trees like stem, branches, roots, flowers, fruits. So basically that is the concept, guys. At a beginner level, there are a lot of advanced topics in entities that we're not going to cover in this video. This will be enough for this video. Now let us go back to ChatGPT. All right, guys. Now we are in ChatGPT, and it seems that ChatGPT has missed one key information from giving us. That information is keywords. Can you see it? It hasn't mentioned keywords, which is very important for us. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me the to add the keywords in our set of instructions, right? Okay, so now it's adding the keyword section. Basically, what we are trying to do, guys, is that we are just giving ChatGPT enough information, so it gives us enough information back, and with that information, we are trying to, give, give the best prompt possible. So it gives us the schema code, which is actually going to help us rank higher. So that's the concept basically. Here, actually, it has mentioned keywords. So this is good. We have all the necessary information, right? The one thing which we don't have right now is entities, right? Other than that, all the information we can extract from website and the GMB, the business name, business type, address, phone number, everything is already available, right? Keywords is also available. Which is not available is entities. Same as is nothing but social profiles and citations which you can add there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me entities for my set of keywords, right? So I'm just going to leave this chat here and I'm going to open a new chat, right? And I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me entities, right? What I mentioned here is based on the concept of topical relevance. I want you to give me 10 entities based on my keywords below. The keywords I mentioned are roofing company, window replacement, and siding contractors. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. All right, so ChatGPT is actually giving us some good entity options, which we can see. There are 10 entities based on your keywords: roofing company, window replacement, and siding contractors. It says these entities can be useful for developing content, SEO strategies, or understanding related services and products. Okay, now we have all the entities, right? Now let's head back to the previous prompt. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to again ask ChatGPT to give me a comprehensive prompt that we can actually use to get the schema code. Okay, what I asked is, now with all this information, give me a detailed prompt. Okay, so ChatGPT is giving us the prompt as we expect. So it has what it has said is that to ensure the JSON LD schema for your business is thorough and optimized for Google Maps ranking, please provide the following detailed information. Right, so it's asking for the information. Now actually I need a prompt. I'm just asking, I need a prompt so I can use it whenever I want, right? I need a prompt, give me one. Okay, so right, see, it has given the prompt actually. Request for information to optimize local business presence. We are in the process of enhancing our local SEO and Google Maps visibility through structured data, especially using JSON LT schema markup. To create an accurate and a comprehensive schema, we require detailed information about the business. Please provide the following, right? So guys, ChatGPT has given us this. What we need to do is we just have to fill in these information and just feed the, feed it. Okay, I will be giving the actual prompt, which you can check in the description below. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed in the information and see what ChatGPT is giving us. Okay guys, now we have all the information. We are just going to copy and paste this information in this chat. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us, right? Okay, so ChatGPT is just validating the information. I think it's going to give us all that is needed. Now, okay, now I'm just going to ask the ChatGPT to create me a JSON LD code. Now create me a schema, the above information. Now it's giving me all the information, guys. So these are the information that is needed. See, I haven't filled all the information, guys. It's just for the sake of this video. I'm just showing you how it's done. So what you need to do is, as mentioned earlier in the video, you need to, give all the necessary information. Here I have, skipped the latitude, longitude part and many other information I have skipped, right? So, so yeah, here you can see that ChatGPT has mentioned same as, right? So it has mentioned same as, and it has also mentioned service areas, which is very important. I think it missed entities. We will ask it, missed entities. ChatGPT has missed the entities section, and I asked it to, redo it. Now it's giving us entities. So I'll pause the video and get back to you once it's done. Now we have the schema code generated, which would have taken us at least few hours in the past. Thanks to ChatGPT, now our time is saved, and also the process is very simple. And see here, it has included the entities under knows about, right? Okay, now what we have to do is we just have to take this code and put this code in a schema validator. Okay, so I just have this information here. So I'm going to copy paste the code here and let's see what it does. All right, we are done here, guys. We have 0 errors and 0 warnings. Everything's done. See, we have like 119 lines of code here. Okay, see, I could include more information, but I haven't, because for the sake of this video, you need to include all the information that is relevant to your business. So the maximum information you are giving, the maximum output it will be, in number of lines of code, and also it's going to help Google to understand more about your business. Now we will just see how we can add this code in our website using a free plugin. Alright guys, once we have our code, all we need to do is add this code to our website using a free plugin called Schema and Structured Data for WP and AMP. I'll leave the link below in the description box. Just log into your WordPress dashboard and in plugin section, just type in the keyword that you see on the screen and click install. Once installed, click the activate button. Now we have a couple of options here. We can either add the schema code in the home page or the service page, whichever is linked to the GMB for best results. I have created a sample post where I will add the schema we just got from ChatGPT. Just click on edit, and once you are inside the post, scroll down where you can see the plugin. Just click on custom schema from there, as we already have our code readily available, right? Thanks to ChatGPT. Just paste the code in the box that you see and then click update. That's it, guys. If you want to check the schema, just go to view source and then hit Ctrl F and search for schema, and you should be able to see your schema code. And once you paste the schema code, just allow Google to crawl your website and you should see the rankings rising. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tactics, guys. Cheers.